Hey y'all, and welcome back. We're being attacked. We're being attacked by hummingbirds. Y'all come on, and I'm going to show you how to make this secret ingredient recipe to put in your hummingbird feeders that you'll have to dodge them because there's going to be so many of them. You won't know what to do. So come on, and let's get started. Okay, this is what you're going to need for your recipe. For the red hummingbird feeder, we're going to use 2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of strawberries. In our next recipe, we're going to use 2 cups of water, 1 cup of blueberries, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. So now we're going to just start by adding our ingredients to our pots and bring them up to a boil. And in both recipes, you'll want to mash your fruit just a little and get it mashed in there into the water so it will flavor your water. Okay, we're just going to start by adding our water to each one of our pots. And now to this one over here, I'm going to add my blueberries. And to this one, I'm going to add my strawberries. We got them on a medium high. We're going to let them come to a good boil. And then once they get to boiling, I'm going to take and mash my berries into that water and let all that juice come out of the berries. And now we'll add our 1/4 cup of sugar to our strawberries and our 1/4 cup of sugar to our blueberries. And now you just want to bring that to a real good simmer and let it dissolve that sugar and start pulling the sugars from each one of your berries. And I'll show you what they turn out to look like. Just give them both a mix and now let them come to a boil. And we're going to be smashing some berries. Okay, I'm going to use my potato masher and just start mashing my berries, letting them release that sugar. And they're going to make your water a pretty red. These strawberries will cook down with that sugar and it'll make it a red, real pretty color. And then we're going to do the blueberries. And then the blueberries are going to turn this water like a bluish purple. Okay, there's my strawberry nectarine for my hummingbird feeder. Get those strawberries off of it. And then right here is the blueberries. Now what we have to do is strain them because I don't want that fruit in my hummingbird feeder. I just want the homemade nectarine that we made for our hummingbird feeders in it. So let's strain this and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we'll strain the strawberry red first. Now we have to let that cool before we put it in the hummingbird feeder. But look how pretty and red those strawberries turned it. Make sure y'all can see the 2 different colors. You will not believe how much the hummingbirds love this homemade nectarine using blueberries and strawberries. And out of these two, which one do y'all think they like the best? The blueberries or strawberries? Let's go see. We'll let them cool, and then we'll see which ones our hummingbirds attack the best. Okay, here's the blueberry. Look how pretty that is. Both of them are pretty. Then here's the strawberry. Okay, here's the strawberry bird feeder. I have one or two little hummingbirds that are coming to it. And they like it. But it's just not bringing them in like the blueberry. And now here's the blueberry. Look at these hummingbirds. They have just went crazy over this blueberry. They're attacking it. They love blueberry juice. So if y'all have any hummingbird feeders, you might want to get you some blueberries and try this. They love it. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on how to make homemade hummingbird feeder. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.